Those that are interested in organisational culture and of course building teams that simply work, the passing of Dr. Meredith Belbin overnight should be a moment to reflect on the profound legacy that he leaves behind. His pioneering research on team roles reshaped how we understand group dynamics, offering timeless insights into how ineffective teams can become extraordinary. Now, for those that don't know of Dr. Meredith Belbin, he was, of course, the architect behind what I would say one of the most potent methodologies in transforming organisations from being stuck to unstuck. And that's a very simplistic metaphor of Belbin's work over decades that literally turned organisations around. Pick any of the world's most successful businesses and it's likely they've been exposed to Belbin. Some 20 years ago, myself and a couple of owners of what's since become a very large national compensation practice came across Belbin, and soon thereafter I went full tilt and became a Belbin trainer. The firm hard-baked Belbin into their DNA and it's still there to this very day. What's Belbin got to do with strategy and marketing of legal practices, which is where I play? Everything. Because as you probably well know, the biggest handbrake in your law firm at the moment, be it your lack of adoption of AI, your inability to get your legal practice to the next level, or simply your failure yet again to execute this quarter's marketing strategy, has little or nothing to do with external factors, but internal, namely your people. And I'd hasten to add, probably the people sitting around the table at your partners meeting. Under the guise of Belbin, the reason that things get stuck in your firm is because of team composition at a leadership level. Your managing partner is all ideas, but he or she is surrounded by finisher completers, those that love to bury themselves in the detail, and because of it, everything gets stunted there. Your managing partner is a shaper, a hustler, all about action, but is deprived of having someone at the table who can spot opportunity and can see around corners. Or they're a finisher completer themselves, and any sniff of something new will soon be followed by 573 interrogatories, and we know where that all ends up. Your team is frustrated because they know what's coming over the hill. So in the world of Belbin, there are 9 fundamentally important team roles, not personalities. Let's leave that to Enneagram or Myers-Briggs. But these roles work in harmony together. They're sequential. They're like a football team with each player knowing exactly what their role is to fulfill the game strategy. They have little regard for your personal human frailty, and I don't mean to diminish that, but they say, we have a job to do. Who do we need in this room with their distinctive and different team roles to make it happen? For example, as I circle around here and I see the loads of commentary on the latest AI report into legal practice that says that we're all laggards, coupled with the banter back and forward, we know it's not and never has been about AI. It's about a law firm's leadership team's inability to mobilize themselves to take the necessary steps towards it. And that's not about tech. It's not about the choice of tech. It's about the internal struggle around that leadership team to execute. Apply that same example to anything in your firm that is stuck. It can be fixed, and it has been for countless organizations, from British Airways through to Telstra to TikTok, through seeing both opportunities and challenges through the lens of Belbin team roles. Rest in peace, Meredith, and thank you for all that you have done for organisations throughout the world.